In this activity, we draw an apple in the apple tree by using our finger. First of all, we will color the tree stamp by brown pencil color, and then we color its branches one by one. Also, we will use a brown color in its branches, tree branch, and then we use red color. It's mentioned, it is on placed on the table, and then we dip our finger and print apple by using our finger one by one. That is a very good activity, and its idea is so good. Whenever you want to busy your kid, then you can choose these activities. Kids enjoy it so much. Here you can see the apples on the trees are completed. That is a final form of our activity.